In this video, we'll show you a fantastic trading method for stocks, crypto, and foreign exchange that will make you crazy profit by the end of 2023. On a 15-minute time frame, this trading approach is highly accurate, and if used properly can give some amazing results. The indicator used for this strategy is non-repaint and gives highly accurate entry positions. We'll walk you through the entire strategy and reveal the name of the indicator. By the end of this video, you'll be better than 90% of traders out there making profits daily. Start a new trading view chart. Set your chart to a 15-minute time frame. Also effective is a 5-minute time limit. But for long-term profitability, we prefer 15 minutes. Click on the Indicators tab, search for RSI Divergence Taurus. Make sure it's by author Matsu BitMEX. Click and apply it to your chart. If you are not realizing of what it is, divergence is in very simple words, RSI divergence occurs when the price moves against the RSI chart's direction. May form a lower low or higher high, while the RSI may show an opposite upward or downward movement. Okay, so after application, we'll need to tweak its settings to increase the win ratio. Click on Indicator Settings and switch to the Input tab. Check the second option, change the RSI length to 20. Ensure that the upper line is 70 and the lower line is 30. Afterward, find the highest possible length and change this from 2 to 1. Scroll down, change RSI MA from SMA to EMA, and below change BBMA to EMA. Recheck the settings and press the Apply button. Let's look at how to buy and sell conditions for your trades right away. Buy setup. Check out these green dots. These dots indicate divergences that are bullish. They will be used to collect our buy entries. Wait for this blue line to go below the 30 level. Once below, wait until a green dot appears. Take a trade on fresh candle and see the magic of this indicator. Sell setup. Making excellent sell trades is just the opposite of taking perfect buy trades. This blue line should be above the 70 level. Once it's there, wait patiently for a red dot to appear. Open a trade on fresh candle and watch the market hit your take profit. Check out this example. The line is below the 30 level, and here is our green dot. We'll take a trade on a fresh candle. Here's an example of sell trade, blue line above the 70 level, and here is a red dot. Open trade on the new candle. Take profit and stop loss levels can be marked near the closest supply-demand levels. You can use an indicator for plotting support and resistance levels, or if you have some experience marking important levels, switch to a higher time frame and mark the closest support or resistance level to your entry point. Once marked, place your stop loss slightly offset from these levels. For better results, use a 1:2 risk-reward ratio and mark your take profit level 2 times away from your stop loss level. Check these examples. Here is our trade entry, and our stop loss will be near this support level. Once marked, we'll place take profit target 2 times our stop loss. The same is true with this sell trade. Enter, set your stop loss, and mark your profit. If you face issues, let us know below in the comments. Also, we'd love to have suggestions about any new strategy that you are willing to share. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Goodbye.